Is another crypto crash upon us? That's the big question a lot of people are wondering right now. So, listen, September historically has not been a good month for crypto. In fact, on average, in the month of September, Bitcoin has lost 8% of its value over its existence. Now, we do have some big dates coming up in September, some bullish, some bearish. Of course, we have now the Vassal hard fork for Cardano, along with the Ethereum merge, and maybe even a ton of information about Shibarium with Shiba Inu. So, those are some positives. Now, the negatives that exist, of course, are the fact that we're still battling inflation and that we have the Fed meeting coming up in a historically bad month. Well, Coin Bureau, of course, Guy on YouTube says altcoins could collapse by up to 80% amid rate hikes. Again, according to Coin Bureau, here's the timeline. Now, here's the thing, none of this is guaranteed, but here's what I like to say, right? Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. How can we do that? Well, number one, have some dry powder on the sidelines. When you do buy the dip, don't buy the dip in huge chunks. Slowly take nibbles at your favorite altcoins on the way down. That's what I've been doing all of 2022, except for Bitcoin and Ethereum, which I've been buying every single day since April 1st. Now, let's get into this. Guy warns his YouTube subscribers that starting this month, the Federal Reserve will accelerate the selling of assets on its balance, which he says is made up of the U.S. Treasuries and mortgage-backed securities. He says, and I quote, "That's because the interest rates on U.S. Treasuries and mortgage-backed securities are essentially determined by price, with a lower price resulting in higher interest rates." Now, with the Fed selling off billions of dollars of these assets while the economy continues to slow down, it's unclear whether there will be enough buyers to absorb the shock. This means that interest rates could rise faster than investors can handle to cause markets to crash even more. This is exactly what happened when the Fed started reducing its balance sheet in 2018. In fact, back then in 2018, the S&P lost about 20% of its value from its peak of 2940 points at the time. The Coin Bureau host highlights that a repeat of what happened back then could spell trouble for digital assets, given that cryptocurrency is highly correlated to the stock market with more volatility, especially this year here in 2022. This could translate to a 40% drop for the largest coins and tokens, with 60 or 80% drops for most medium and small cap altcoins, with the absolute bottom being sometime early next year. So, the Coin Bureau goes on to say, if history is any indication, Bitcoin's BTC will experience the lowest losses in percentage terms as altcoin holders rotate whatever profits they have left into this de facto digital gold. Even then, the losses could still be more than most crypto holders can stomach. So Guy believes a lot of people will be transitioning out of altcoins, and maybe the safe haven is Bitcoin or some type of stable coin, or maybe it's just cash on hand. I'm not saying today go sell everything you have, but take a look at where you are right now. Are you okay with things going lower? Are you willing to be patient? And if you have dry powder on the sidelines, be ready. Maybe now's not the perfect time to start buying, but maybe wait until the end of the month to see the fallout from the Federal Reserve meeting. So that's what I've got for you here in this video. Let me know if you like it down below. Also, like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Hit that subscribe button if you want daily crypto content. I appreciate you stopping in, and I will see you guys in the next video.